Shenzhen Hero Laser Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2009 and is located in Bao'an District, very close to Shenzhen International Airport and waterfront. Convenient transportation access to Hong Kong Airport and any city in Guangdong Province. We have a general investment of equal to $205.7 million and plant area of more than 49,000 square meters as Hero Laser Intelligent Equipment. Haiyuan Company Limited. Hero Laser has abundant financial resources to work with different companies. Many world's top 500 and stocklist enterprises cooperate closely with us, and OEM or ODM solution is available. We have set up 30 branch companies around China and overseas branch in Japan, Thailand, Indonesia, and Taiwan. As a professional supplier of laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, laser cutting machine, and laser marking machine, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also export well to Europe, Asia, and Americas. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got most standard CE, ISO 45001, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, etc. certificates. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.